Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, traders. Is it morning? Yeah. In fact, I'm going on here, and like I said, I was not going to go into trade, but I'm going to try to scalp this. It's basically a scalping strategy since it's the Christmas week, right? So I'm doing a scalp here of approximately 5 ticks. So before I go on, here is the usual disclaimer. Let me post this here. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live stream is basically strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor trading professional. I am a retail trader like most everyone here is. And once again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only. So I'm doing this scalp strategy, so it's really not part of the legacy strategy. It's more of a scalp strategy. Basically, getting the lower lows and lower highs. So at this point, I'm looking at this chart where it's showing me that I'm getting a lower high. And as you can see here, lower low, except for this low, it did not go lower. However, that was on the 610 tick chart. If I bring over the more of the 2685, is it 26? Yeah, 2584 tick chart, I am getting more of a lower high as well as lower lows, except maybe probably here. So we'll see if I can get this 5 tick scalped. And usually the strategy calls for two contracts, but since this is my first time trying it out, I'm only doing one contract. So if I get this is approximately what, $75. That's about it. So basically 5 ticks. So that's what I'm basing it on right now. Even though I had a drawdown right here where I entered right here. Let me see if I can find what I entered right here, right? I had a drawdown, almost hit my loss, but that would have been a big loss. Approximately, I believe, 5 points, right? So that's 20 ticks. So the risk to reward ratio here is actually pretty bad. So if I do get this, then that's fine. I'm just basically basing it on price action. Now, if I was looking at this, I would really put it down here. But since I'm trading one contract, let me see. Let me do this. Maybe I'll bring it down to, what is this, 99? Let's bring it to 97 to be sure. So most likely 2 points. There. And we'll see how this goes. Okay, so let's see how this how this is gonna go for a minute. Again, I'm only scalping, quick scalp, and I did have a drawdown here, but I didn't get stopped out. So let me put this on mute, and I will see how this trade goes. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if it's a nice entry. I think it's a late entry, but I'm just basically basing it on um, price action where it breaks the. And again, it's not based on the 610 chart. It's based on more on the 2584 tick chart, where basically looking at the break of the lower lows and the lower lows and the lower highs. So, and originally, this is based on a strategy that another, should I say, Filipino who lives in the U.S. I was looking at his YouTube channel, and he was basically scalping. He was scalping for 1 point, or 1 point, should I say, or what is that, 4 ticks, using two contracts. So therefore, 1 point using two contracts is what, $100, right? So that's he was basically scalping 4 ticks, and it's based on again lower highs and lower lows for a sell and higher highs and higher lows for a buy, where it would break the swing lower, swing high. So depending on the market right now, it's pretty slow. Um, Market is pretty slow due to the holidays. So I was thinking, well, I think it's better to just scalp. So right now, if I was scalping, my take profit would be 1 point. I'd be hitting it right now, but that would be what, for $50 for one contract. So I was looking at more of the price action, and I'm seeing that I can easily get this for maybe, well, I don't know, it's going to be easy, but it might take its time to getting down to 2 points, but most likely the probability of hitting 2 points is there. Higher probability of hitting 1 point, which you can see now they already did. You can either scalp this from either 4 to maybe 6 ticks. Apparently I'm doing it more than that. I'm getting it maybe 8 ticks, but we'll see. According to this price action, it looks like it's going to go pretty good. I see the momentum is headed down, so we'll see if I can get the 8 ticks, which is basically $100, and I wouldn't mind that. So we'll see how this is going to turn out. And I'm trying a new microphone here. It's basically I'll be doing a podcast pretty soon, testing out this microphone. But the thing is, I'm using it on a laptop that's basically using Windows 7. And I just read this microphone, the minimum requirement is a Windows 8. So I don't hear myself, and I don't know how the audio is. So I'll see. I'll just go back to my regular headphone that has a microphone on this particular laptop. But my other laptop that I use, a Windows 10, it works quite well. So when I do this live stream, it's usually using. Okay, thanks for the feedback. In fact, I'm looking at. I just see a Facebook user now. Let me see if I go back to my other laptop here and see who you are. Hey Sean, how are you doing? Are you trading by any chance? I don't know. Haven't heard any input from you, so I don't know if you're trading or what. So how's your trading coming along? Is it okay, or is it consistent, or just a little inconsistent? Okay, maybe I don't know if you guys can hear me now. Okay, so how's my? I went back to my regular headset here on my microphone, so I don't know if you guys can hear me. Well, that's good. Yeah, it's all about controlling your emotions, Sean. Trading is that's what it's all about. It's not the strategy. You can trade any strategy, but it's really controlling your emotions. And it's a process. It is a process. Some people may find it easier or faster to control their emotions, while people may struggle with it for a bit. But it is a journey. That's what definitely it's what it is. So we'll see if this is going to be coming down here to the two. It might take its time. Um, I might settle for 5 ticks, 5 or 6 ticks. We'll see. We'll see where this closes out. As you can see here, there we have 46. The countdown, the tick counter there is 46. Depending on where this closes, if it closes below that close of the previous bar, then high probability is that it will hit the 2 points. But if not, I may settle for either the 4 or 5 ticks. Thanks, Sean. Thank you for your feedback about the sound. Yeah, I went back to my headset rather than the microphone. So we'll see this. This bar is about to close. If it's going to close above that previous bar, then I might just adjust the my take profit to maybe 5 ticks. Again, this is a scalping strategy. You see, so you close. You see that it closed above, right? So let's put this maybe at 5 ticks. We'll see what happens here. You see, because if you look at the price action here, you see strong momentum, 3 bars right there. You have a lower, close here, lower close here, lower close here. And this is basically a pullback, and eventually it will come back and hit my 2 points. That's how you read the price action. You have 3 bars here, which has lower closings, right? Closed here, which is lower than the previous bar. The next bar closed below this one. The next bar closed definitely lower than this one. So that's 3 bars right there, meaning that's strong momentum to the downside. It just basically pulled back here. Now it depends on where this current bar is, where it's going to close. If it's going to close above this previous bar where the dot is, then I will just basically look for 1 point or 4 ticks. But since I'm considering this more of a pullback, and now it will continue going down, almost like a lightning bolt, right? Snap, crackle, pop, as Marcello would say. So this is more like a lightning bolt. where you have the momentum down, pull back, and then continue going down. So we'll see if that's going to do. That's going to be the correct way. Any normal market condition, I would put this profit target down to here, the Keltner channel, the bottom of the outer should I say outer bound, correct? The lower bound of the Keltner channel. But since again we have little volatility here due to the holiday week, I'll just see if I can get 2 points. I'd be okay with 2 points or one. Yeah, 2 points. See, right now you can see what it's doing here. It basically now this right here is being used as more of a little support. Looks like. So we'll see if it's going to break through that. Again, I'm looking for a scalp. And I think during this week, the holiday season, or this week of Christmas, it's better to scalp. You can get away with one tick. Let's just say 4 ticks, between anywhere from 4 to 6 ticks. That would be good. There, I got that. So basically done for that scalp. If there's another, should I say another opportunity, then I'll probably do it. So with that, that's $100. Five. That's 8 ticks. So I will end this. Just wanted to show or basically live stream that. So I think for the strategy that I'll be using is more like a scalping strategy, anywhere from 4 to 6 ticks. Just fortunate I was able to get 8 ticks there, just basing reading on how the legacy strategies between that I teach, and basically, like I said, it most likely will hit the outer band right here of the lower outer band of the Keltner channel. So I'll end this broadcast. If any other opportunities comes up, I will see if I'm not in front of my laptop or not. I'll do another broadcast. Okay. But I don't think I'll be trading the morning session. Most likely that's going to be very, very erratic. Again, depending, we'll see. So I'll end it now. I will talk to you guys later. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day. God bless. See you, Sean. Take care. Merry Christmas, Sean, to you and Jacqueline and the kids. Okay. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.